Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Testerup how to get paid. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get paid via Testerup, what you need to do is complete offers such as app testing. So head over and complete offers as app testing, surveys, or leveling up in games. You earn money as milestones or finish tasks clear. Then your earnings appear in your Testerup account balance, but they aren't withdrawable until you hit a minimum payout threshold, which is typically $70. Once you reach that threshold, head to the payment or payout tab in the app or web dashboard. Then first-time users must complete face verification using a selfie prompt for identification. Then link your PayPal account. This is the only supported payment method. Cash App, Venmo, Apple Pay, etc. aren't supported. One PayPal account per Testerup account is needed. Then simply enter the payment amount within your balance, and maximum is $250 per transaction, and simply tap on submit. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.